Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can complete your fluency check in your strategy notebook using the website Vocaro. So you want to go to the website first. Right, so it's VOCAROO.com. Once you get there, you're going to pull up your reading passage from your strategy notebook, have that ready to go. Once you have that ready, you are going to then use the click to record button to record yourself reading the passage from your strategy notebook. Okay? So once you click it, you'll get this box. This is just saying, hey, can we use your microphone? You're going to click the allow button. And now I am recording. So at this time, you are going to record yourself reading the passage from your strategy notebook. Once you're done reading the passage out loud, you want to make sure you read the whole entire thing. You're going to click to stop. Okay? If you weren't happy with your recording, you can click the retry button. Always a good rule of thumb to listen to your recording as well. It's a great way to check your oral fluency. Okay? Once you reviewed your fluency check, you are now going to copy and paste your recording into your strategy notebook. To do this, you're going to click the click here to save button below. Then you'll see that a link pops up. This is the link to your recording of your fluency check. So you're just going to highlight it. You're either going to select your keyboard command Control and C at the same time, or you can right click, copy, go to your strategy notebook. This is where you're going to paste your link. You can either use your keyboard command Control and V, or you can right click and you're just going to click paste. And there you go. You completed your fluency check. All you need to do is make sure that you save this. Let me know if you have any other questions. Good luck, guys.